I bet you're a bit like I was. You're ready to make the switch to something healthier. You're looking for answers to health issues that you can't seem to solve, but you're not really sure where to turn, and everything seems super complicated. Let me help you make this switch and make it super simple, because I promise you there's a really easy and affordable way to do it. I just got this in the mail today, and I'm super excited to open it and show you. The box is gorgeous. Young Living has it branded really pretty. They've even got this shiny little oil drop on it, which I thought was a really neat touch to the box in general. Like, they have so many cool details in here, but that's not the cool part. That's not the part that's going to change your life. This is our Make a Shift Essential Solution Kit. It comes with a little pamphlet type thing that will tell you what's in here, show you how to use it. There's QR codes in there that you can scan for more info. Plus, when I become your oily concierge, I have a bunch of resources that you get emailed and a little crash course around the box to help you know what these oils do and how to use them more specifically. So I promise you are never left in the dark. It even has this pretty branded tissue paper. You guys, they did not skip anything. The box smells like lavender. It's so cool. It's so cool. So these are 4 of our most beloved oils. Definitely 4 that I used right off the bat and learned about early on. So this is lavender, good for everything: sleep, relaxation, muscles, skin, hair, nails. Basically, you can use lavender for everything. A lot of people call it the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. Fantastic. Peppermint, this was my first experience with oils ever. I was at church one night and I was supposed to play piano, and there was another lady in the church who was going to play like our backup piano, I guess. And I said to her, I was like, my head feels really funky. Usually when I feel like this, that means I'm down and out for the rest of the day. I may just have to go home and you may need to play for me. And she said, can I put peppermint oil on your forehead? And I was like, whatever. Like, at that point, I knew nothing was going to make it worse than it was probably going to become. And 10 minutes later, my head felt so different. Like, I was fine. And I went to her and I was like, what did you do to me? Because nothing ever de-escalated what I knew was coming until this. And it was a couple years even after that before I really learned about Young Living as a company and what oils do and why they do what that one did for me. But that was my gateway oil, and peppermint is amazing for anything tension or strained or uncomfortable. Even if you have an unhappy stomach, whether you ate something or you're in a car and that's bothering you, peppermint is amazing. And of course, the Young Living only blend is Thieves. This is formulated off of the story of the robbers who robbed the dead and dying during the Black Plague and rubbed all sorts of plants and things all over themselves to keep from catching that plague. That's where this comes from. It's full of amazing oils like clove and cinnamon and lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus, I think, are what are all in there. It smells like fall in a bottle, so this time of year diffusing it is amazing. It also helps to create a healthy atmosphere in the home when you diffuse it. You can easily rub it on your feet and your spine once or twice a day to help promote staying above the wellness line. It's great, especially if you've got kiddos back in school right now who are coming home with who knows what from being around other people, or you're working around other people. This is something every person needs in their arsenal. And then purification. This one is amazing if you have stinky boys or animals or even skin things. Purification is great for skin. Also, if you like to be outdoors, bugs hate it. They don't like to be near the smell. Also, if they have gotten to you before you used it, it also really soothes the skin after a bug has been all over you. So great, super multifunctional oil there. So those are the 4 oils in the regular bottles. And then you also get, well, here, I'll show you how pretty it looks in the box. You also get 2 rollers. So our Stress Away oil, this or another one of our emotional oils, I practically live on. But Stress Away, like, I will seriously huff it right out of the bottle. This is a roller top, so you can roll it right on. You just unscrew that. There's a pretty little roller right there, and just, you know, swipe it behind your ears, over your heart, on your wrists. It's literally like a tropical vacation in a bottle. So soothing, so amazing. And then Deep Relief, I am really, really excited that they put this in this kit because I've never seen it in a kit for new oil beginners. So really, really exciting. It's like peppermint, but taken to a whole nother level because there are other oils in there with it. It's a blend. Fantastic for when you're driving long distances and you're starting to feel tense from sitting in the car so long. If you're a pianist like me, and especially if you're playing a repetitive motion and that really starts to get to your wrist and, you know, up into your arm, great stuff. If you've got tension, discomfort, whatever, this is awesome. Basically same uses as peppermint, but in a roller bottle. So simple, smells so good. I put it on one time sitting at the piano in church between services, and I had somebody like 4 or 5 rows back asking, what is that smell? And they loved it and they wanted to try it. And these oils, they smell so good. And then you also get our new Fresh Start diffuser. This is exclusive to this kit. It's plastic, like heavy duty medical grade plastic, like not cheap stuff. But I like that about it because it means it's easy to travel with. You don't have to worry about it breaking. Super convenient travel size. You guys saw, like, this box is not super big. The cord is wound up inside here. This will run, I believe it's 3.5 hours if you leave it just on straight, or it has a 1 hour function, or what we call intermittent mode, where it'll run for a minute and rest for a minute. That's great for overnight, so that it lasts a little bit longer. And then there's a bunch of different light settings on it. I haven't even plugged this in and turned it on. I was actually like, where is the plug for this thing? And I was kind of like, I might have to tell them I'm missing my plug, but it's wound up inside when you lift this open. So they have it taped shut right now, but I did open it, just make sure that was in there. So love this, super easy. You add, I don't know, like 4 or 5, however strong you want it to be, drops of oil in here, and then put some water in it. There's a fill line, and then turn it on after you plugged it in. It's super, super simple. I do recommend plugging it in before putting water in it. It makes it easier. But that's the entire kit, and it's just so simple. It's so easy. Like you guys saw, each of these oils are multifunctional. So you have a whole box of resources for your health at your fingertips. And this kit is $112. I have a friends and family discount code that I can share with you that'll take 10% off and make it $100 even before tax and shipping. So seriously, awesome deal. It's over $200 retail, so you're getting a 50% savings when you buy that and use my discount code. So if you are ready to make the shift, you are looking to get some of these in your home, and you want to do it in an easy way with someone who's going to guide you, answer your questions, I am your girl. Send me a message or put in the comments, make a shift, and I will send you my referral link and the discount code so that you can grab one of these, and then I will make sure that you get added to my email list so that you get those emails immediately showing you how to use it. I have a quick start guide that I've written for you based on this kit, and emails with all sorts of really good information about the oils in here and what they really can do for you. So I'm really excited for you to make this shift and get going with oils, and I can't wait to get out there and actually share these oils with some of you in person. And now where's the end button? There it is.